96% of you don't even know what you should be thinking about knowing until it causes the potentiality for a breakpoint, for a negative effect of a breakpoint. And then you're like, oh shit, then you learn. You learn all this stuff when you learn what real leadership looks like, and then you have a system to put it into place, okay? Yes, sir. Hang on a second, we're gonna give you a microphone.
Thanks, sir. So this is our first event. We're signed up for the 360.
Perfect.
We're doing about 2.5 million. I've been in business a long time, 19 years.
What's your business?
We manufacture hardwood doors and moldings.
Good.
So it's all custom stuff, but we do obviously reproduce all the time as well. But how do I know if I need to go back? Because you
Well,
mentioned
because
earlier
you're gonna score when you sit through the 360. You get a little taste of it this afternoon.
Okay.
You're gonna identify. You're gonna know what you when we're talking to what needs to be in place in these areas, and we start giving you information to measure against. You're gonna know as soon as you get that information. You're gonna go, shit. A, here's what happens. I don't even think that way. B, I don't even know how to calculate it. C, I just calculated it. It doesn't look good. Right?
Yeah.
D, now that I calculated and it doesn't look good, how do I fix it? Right? Okay. E, it looks good, but how much better could it be, and how do I figure that out? Like, it's based on the research, so the logic of the whole program goes through all these elements, and you basically, we're gonna throw things out at you, and you're gonna be like, I don't even know to know that, right? And here's what we tell people. There's the 2% you know. That's usually what you do. You know if you're good at it or not. There's the 2% you know you don't know. Like if you're really good at something and you know you're not entering and using the full capacity of QuickBooks, you know that, right?
Yeah.
You're like, yeah, I'm only using a little bit of it. I know I should know how to do more. Okay, so you know what you don't know. It's actually 96% of you don't even know what you should be thinking about knowing until it causes the potentiality for a breakpoint, for a negative effect of a breakpoint. And then you're like, oh shit, then you learn. I mean, how many things have you had to learn to go to 50 million?